and lacking unity. Regional expert critical of CARICOM's position on the USA's military operations. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Dwayne Anderson. Now also this evening, Jamaicans on alert over weather system expected to impact the country later this week, and earthquake jolts sections of Jamaica on Sunday. There's also the business review, sports and weather in this newscast. So please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.